Hi, how are you doing? Danny here. My name is Danielle Konjolka, for those of you that might not know me. And I am a market mentor with Monat. I'm also a hairstylist and makeup artist of 20 years. And I've actually been a market partner with Monat for over 6 years now. So I know just a little bit about the business and about the VIP customer program, which is why I'm jumping on today. I want to show you how to sign up your very first customer, your first VIP customer. So we know that there's 3 ways to become a customer with Monat and to purchase Monat. So we have our retail, our VIP customer, preferred customer program, and market partner, which is building a business, right? So how you're going to know more information about the VIP customer program is either from your website, where, that's where you find everything out about Monat, or from your Meet Monat pamphlet, which everyone has. If you search through here, these are the 10 reasons why Monat. And then on the very back, you have the 3 ways that you can purchase Monat. So our retail, our VIP, and our market partner perks. Okay, so great way. Don't ever be afraid. You don't have to know everything. All you got to do is have this handy and it's going to say everything for you. Also, when you get your kit, you are going to have the Smart Start workbook. And I want you to definitely look through this and familiarize yourself with it. There's a lot of information about everything Monat, how to get your business started. And of course, our Smart Start program that we have. This is really going to give your business the best boost to get started. And there's information about our preferred customer program in here, as well as so many other things. So what I want to do today is show you how to sign up a VIP customer and just tell you a little bit more about our preferred customer program. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and hopefully this is going to help you get your business started because it's not easy, but it's 100% worth it. And you just have to be willing to talk to people about our products. Because we have products in 3 categories. So we've got our hair care, our skin care, and our wellness products, right? So familiarize yourself with all of that by going to your back office and going to your website and looking around, and you're going to know a lot more once you do that. So let's go ahead and share the screen here. Now, every market partner has the same website, okay? That's the really cool thing, is Monat is available in 9 countries, and all of our websites look pretty close to the same. They're all duplicatable websites, so they're the same thing. So depending on what country you live in, obviously I'm in Canada, so my flag is going to reflect that. But if I am talking to a VIP customer in the US, or the UK, or really anywhere else that Monat is available. We're even in Australia and now New Zealand. So we're available in 9 countries. If you're talking to someone in Australia, you're going to want to click on this Australian flag so that that customer sees exactly what they have in Australia, right? So I'm in Canada, so my Monat website is going to reflect that. So, actually, oops, I guess I clicked on Australia, but let's go back to Canada and make sure that you click on Canada English, because otherwise everything's going to be in French. But this is what our customers are going to see when they come to our website. And how you're going to get to your personalized website is you're going to use your username, whatever you signed up with, .mymonat.com. So mine is beautybydanny.mymonat.com. And you can see here, you can see my picture. I have my information up here. I personally think that's super important to have because that puts a face to your website. You're not just a blank circle with no info on it. Like you are the brand of Monat, right? Like we sell Monat, hair care, skin care, and wellness, but people are going to purchase from us personally. So make sure you update all of this info, and you can find how to do that. If you go to YouTube, I have a video called Monat Back Office Navigation, and I do have it in my Monat Mavens page as well on Facebook, like my team page. And I show you how to do all of that. So make sure you search for that and you find it. So this is what your VIP customers are going to see when you share this URL with them up here, is they're going to see everything to do with Monat. So you can share your Monat quiz with them. When you click on join now, they have the option to join as a retail customer, a VIP customer, and as a market partner. So it actually does share all of that info there. And this is just like a little bit more about the products and all of that jazz. This is our home page. So depending on where they're clicking, that's basically what they're going to see. So right here, log in. This is how we log into our back office. So you don't want to do that. we're just focusing on the VIP customer program today. So you're going to scroll over to this VIP. Right here, you can find out more about the VIP program. Okay, so if you click on that, and it might take a minute depending on how your Wi-Fi connection is. Okay, so you're going to scroll down and it explains more about all of the perks of the VIP customer program and all of that, and flagship and all of that. So if we go back and we click on become a VIP, this is them signing up to be a VIP customer. So some people might want to do this themselves. I really encourage you to let them do it themselves so they can navigate your website. Or you can also send them a cart, which I will show you how to do as well. So you can see all the perks of becoming a VIP. There's so many perks. Our VIP customers do pay a once in a lifetime VIP fee to unlock all of the perks of our amazing program. So it's $19.95 in the US or $24.95 Canadian. Obviously, depending on what country you're talking to someone in, that VIP fee is going to be different no matter where you're talking to them. But it does reflect the same currency, okay? So what the perks are when you sign up as a VIP, you're going to get 15% off all Monat products across the board off of the retail price, okay? So they're no longer paying full price, they're getting 15% off. They're going to get free shipping on all qualifying orders over 84 US or 110 Canadian. They're going to get a free only for you gift, a travel size product when they sign up as a VIP with you, and in future qualifying flex ship orders, which remember, our flex ship program is not an auto ship. It's not something they're going to get every month. It's fully in their control, and you got to explain that to them. You got to explain that it's not an auto ship. They're not going to get products every single month. It's flexible, and it's going to be in 30 or 60-day increments. And if they're not ready for that flex ship, for those products that they've set aside for next time, they log into their VIP suite and they can push that date out in 30 or 60-day increments. So it makes it so easy for our customers to know what they want for next time, but to plan that in advance. And they have full control of that. So I absolutely love that. They're also going to have a birthday treat in the month of their birthday. So if their birthday's in December, they're going to get an email from Monat at the beginning of the month. Sometimes it goes to their spam folder. So I always kind of double check with them. There's a report that you can do in the back office where you can set who has a birthday from December 1st to December 31st. You can see all of your VIPs that have a birthday and tell them and remind them that they have a birthday treat from Monat. In the US, they get a $25 credit, and in Canada, it's a $32 credit. And as long as they're purchasing over $50 US or 64 Canadian, they can put this birthday coupon towards a regular order or also towards their flex ship. So it's a really great way. It's like cash back, right? So they get that awesome coupon towards any product. So that's their little birthday gift from Monat. They also have access to exclusive flash sales. This is my favorite part of being a VIP customer, is the flash sales, because I mean, hello, they get free products like this month. I know we're kind of like around Black Friday right now when I'm recording this video, and they are giving away a 3-in-1 interchangeable curling wand as long as they're choosing 4 products off of a list. And so they get a free curling iron. Like, hello, that's so amazing. So really great perks and free shipping as well, because flash sales always have free shipping. And then they also have an additional savings program with Monat Purchase Plus, which is when your VIP customers hit certain thresholds, they actually unlock even bigger savings, anywhere from 15% to 25% extra off of their products. And that will reflect when they're putting their products in their cart. That's a little bar at the top that will say, hey, if you spend an extra $50, you're going to get 25% off your entire purchase. So pretty cool little program. When they scroll down here, it really does explain the flex ship program. And I want you to know that they are not required to continue purchasing on flex ship. If that is something, once they sign up, that they really don't want to be part of our flex ship program, they can log into their back office and actually cancel that themselves, or we can call in for them and tell them, hey, this customer wants to cancel flex ship. and they don't have to partake in the flagship program, but they're no longer going to receive free shipping on their orders unless they're ordering off of the flash sale. So free shipping is a big perk. Shipping is not cheap. And so I just let them know, like, hey, don't worry, Monat is going to send you an email a week before your flagship sends to you. And it also sends me an email a week before their flagship sends. So it's a great way for me to connect with my VIP, make sure they're happy, make sure they're getting the products that they want for the next time. And like I said, they can edit the products in their cart and they can push out their flagships in 30 or 60-day increments. So super easy. So let's go ahead and sign up a new VIP. We're going to click on join now. And just for the sake of making this easy for you, you can see, like I said, it's Bright Friday. The sale pops up right up at the top. And it also tells you in that purple bar right here, select $110 Canadian or more worth of product for today's enrollment order. So we want to make sure that we're choosing products that are going to total over 110 Canadian, right? So just for the sake of this video, to keep it short for you, we're going to go ahead and add the Rejuvenique oil to cart. It's $116. It unlocks the VIP perks for them right away. And you can see right here, they're only $13 away from saving an additional 15% off their order. So they're actually going to get 30% off everything. And that goes up to an additional 25% off. So pretty cool. And they'll see that when they keep adding things to their cart. So if they wanted like the BB cream or they want some skincare, they can also add that into their cart as well. Oh, the sun is getting hot. I'm just going to move my screen here. Okay, there we go. So next we're going to choose the only for you product. So this is a free gift of the month. It changes every single month. And I use this to my advantage too. Like when you become a VIP, you get a free product upon enrollment, and you also get a free product whenever you have a qualifying flagship. So that's pretty awesome too. So we're going to go ahead and choose what product we want them to have for free. So do they want a travel sized eye smooth, like the under eye cream, or the skin revitalizing essence, our prep step for skincare? Or do they want a free travel size Monat Black 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner and the replenish mask? This one is such a good value. I'm going to add that to their cart. And then what we have to do now that we've chosen that only for you is we have to create a future flagship order. And this flagship order, remember, is products that they're choosing for the next time. And we can choose up to 30 or 60 days away for them to receive this next product. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 60 days away because that's normally what I do for my customers. And just so you know, you can't schedule a flagship after the 25th of the month. That's just like the cutoff for flagships, and they will start again on the 1st. So this is our maximum 60 days. So January 24th is going to be the date that this next order is going to send to them. And remember, they get a reminder in their email 1 week before this is going to send to them. So no excuses. As long as they check their email at least once a week, they're going to have that reminder there. You're also, as their sponsor, as their market partner, going to get that reminder email as well. So it's a good excuse for you to check in with them, maybe change and edit their products that are in their flagship, and really help them and give them wonderful customer service. So again, we can go ahead and choose products that are over $110. You know, we chose the oil, so maybe this time what we're going to do is we're going to go into categories and maybe let's choose a system of some sort for them. Let's see if I can find a hair care system or a skin care system or whatever I've recommended. We're just going to go with the Renew Hydrating System. Comes with a shampoo, a leave-in conditioner, and a mask. So let's go ahead and add that to the cart. Now, from this point, they can go ahead and create their account. They're going to fill in their shipping and their billing info, their credit card, all of that jazz. And then they're going to have to fill in like their birthday, their address, all of that. Okay, they can finish that off right from here. If you're the one enrolling them and you're doing it from your website, you can send them a cart from this point. So you see this little save button down here? This is where you're going to email them this cart that you've just put together for them. So what I do is I would go in and I would send this to their email. I'm just going to type my own email. It can't be your Monat affiliated email. So I will sometimes send it to my other email just to make sure I see what exactly they're getting. But make sure you put in your customer's email and you can save it. And it's going to send it to their email, which is really cool. So you can see that I'm going to get that in my email there. But what I do then, once I've sent that, is I actually open up my camera and I take a quick little 2-minute long video. I try and keep it under 2 minutes. And I show them exactly what they're going to get in their cart. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to pretend I'm taking a video. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to click video. And I'm going to say, hey, Sharon, thank you so much for becoming my VIP. I'm just showing you what I put in your cart. So you can see right here, we talked about how you have that VIP customer once in a lifetime fee of $24.95. And then you're going to unlock all the perks of the VIP program. So what I did for today's order is I added the Rejuvenate oil. You can see it's $116. And then I was able to get you the Monat Black 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner and the travel size replenished mask for free because you're signing up as a VIP customer. So today's subtotal is $140.95 plus tax. And for next time in your flagship, I actually added the Renew hydrating system because you said your hair was like dry and thick and coarse. And I think this is the best system to start you with. So we've got the Renew shampoo, the leave-in cream, and also the Replenish mask in there for you for next time. And just so you know, your next order I set up for January 24th of 2023. So that's 60 days away. And I want you to know that you're actually going to get a reminder in your email when this is going to ship to you. So there you go. So that is what I'm going to send them now. I'm going to send that to them either through Facebook Messenger or text message or however I'm talking to them. And I'm going to send that to them so they know what's in their cart and they know that I've sent them that cart to their email. Okay. I just find that just like ups the ante with the customer service, and it really does help. So that's how you sign up your first VIP customer. You either will give them your URL to your website. Maybe you'll have, hang on a sec here. Maybe you will have given them the beauty quiz. Maybe you've done the beauty quiz. You've sent them the link to the beauty quiz. Well, that beauty quiz has a little button that says join as a VIP right now. And this is where your Monat quiz is. Utilize that quiz. It's absolutely amazing. That's what it's for, right? So I hope that helps you know how to sign up your very first VIP customer. I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or your personal upline, and we would be glad to help you out. And remember how to build a block. You want to sign up 4 VIP customers and 1 market partner, and you're going to unlock all of those amazing Smart Start bonuses, and you're going to start building your residual income for yourself. So take care and good luck, and have so much fun working your business and sharing the love of great hair and skin everywhere you go.